Hey yo, this is crazy talk. I'm crazy. Well, really not really. But I got some news you can use. Alright, check this out. A scientist named Nikola Tesla said, if you want to understand the universe, think of forms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Now what does that mean? I'm about to let y'all know. Calm down. Look, our brain waves are measured in frequencies. Alright? In units called hertz. And I'm trying to see where I should walk. We out here. Which way y'all say? This way? Alright, that's cool. So hertz is what we measure with. Our brain waves are measured with. We got five different brain waves. That's the delta, which is 0 through 4 hertz. Then you got the theta, which is 4 through 8 hertz. And then we got the alpha, which is 8 through 13 hertz. After that is the beta, which is 13 through 30 hertz. After that, we got the gamma waves, which is 30 through 100 hertz. Now, why is that important? I'm going to tell you. Check this out. All right, now when you got binaural beats, okay, what a binaural beat is something that can change your life, right? Or you can use it to change your life. All right, when I say I'm listening to binaural beats, or I'm using binaural beats, or you should use binaural beats, a lot of people probably think I'm talking about like a headphone maybe made by Beats by Dr. Dre. It's not that, or it's not binaural beats. It's not instrumentals or music. You know what I'm saying? I'm not working on music when I'm listening to binaural beats. Binaural beats is like a optical illusion for your head. Optical illusion is like, something is like it's made through images, and then a binaural beat is an auditory illusion, which is made through sound. So binaural beats you can't even hear; they're made up in your head. So how does that work? I'm about to let you know. Y'all impatient, but look, check this out. When you put these, you gotta listen to binaural beats with headphones on. You can't just play beats out your speaker or your computer or something, or it gotta be through headphones, and it's important. This is why. When you got a certain tone playing out your left ear, so you got like 300 hertz playing out your left ear, and then you got 310 hertz playing out your right ear, what your brain is going to do is acclimate the difference and give you a sound of 10 hertz. So if you got like 400 in the left and then 500 in the right, then you know what I'm saying, it's going to be like, so you got 400 in the left and then 410 in the right, then you're going to get 400, you're going to get 10 hertz. That's what your brain is going to give you. So then you would be into one of those brain waves frequencies I explained earlier. I'm gonna probably make another video about these different brain waves and what you can use them for. But we're gonna talk about theta today, because I use that to help me change my life as far as working out and waking up early and being healthy and making more healthier choices. So a few months ago, when I had this awakening, I went to start eating more healthy and working out, and I started researching the brain and how it works, and I found these things called binaural beats. I wanted to give them a try, so I listened to some stuff that was supposed to help me work out and start running and exercising and making more healthier choices. So I listened to this stuff. You can go on YouTube and search in binaural beats. There's going to be a whole bunch of them. They got binaural beats for anything. Like if you get a headache, they got binaural beats for that. If you are depressed, got anxiety, they even got binaural beats to heal pain. If your muscles is sore or whatever, they got all types of binaural beats. And then you can search through the comments and just see just how positive and how beneficial they've been to other people. But I'm gonna tell you about my experience. So I listened to these beats. It was January when I first started doing this, and I'm in Milwaukee, and it don't look like this all the time in Milwaukee. So it was a lot of snow, a whole lot of snow. And usually, you know what I'm saying, I ain't have a problem with the snow, but we're gonna talk about that in a different video too. But we just gonna keep on subject. I started listening to these beats. I wanted to work out, and I woke up, and I was just ready to go. It was snowing, and I just was saying, okay, well, I told myself I'm gonna work out. I felt like working out. Something just in me was just like, hey, you need to get up and start working out. And I know for a fact it was the binaural beats, because I'm not that type of person. You know what I'm saying? Just to get up and to be ready to go like that. So, that's what I was talking about. In the snow. It was winter when it started. I'm talking about a lot of snow. And I would get up, walk all in the snow to my mama's crib. It took me about 30 minutes to get there. But I was doing that like almost every day. And now, you know what I'm saying, when I go on my jogs to my mom's crib, it take me about 15 minutes, and I can get there with non-stop. And I know it has a lot to do with listening to these binaural beats, specifically stuff in the theta. We're gonna talk about the theta brainwaves. Why that's important. It's important to me, because that has like, it helps with inner peace, meditation. People who go through a spiritual awakening, correlated with the theta brainwaves. Also, it helps you tap into your subconscious. So like the 5 or 10 minutes before you go to sleep, the 5 or 10 minutes when you wake up, your brain goes through those theta brainwaves. That's when you can basically hypnotize yourself or put these suggestions in your subconscious. So like they even got like they got binaural beats on YouTube where they got subliminal affirmations playing underneath them. So like, you know, affirmations, I am positive, I am brave, I am strong, all that stuff. That's playing under these brain waves, under these binaural beats. So like, while your brain is asleep, your subconscious brain, that's still woke. You know what I'm saying? That's why if you go to sleep with the TV on or listening to the radio or something, you might have some of these dreams where whatever's going on in the TV is happening in your dream, because your subconscious is still listening to all that stuff. So while you're asleep, you can hypnotize yourself basically to live whatever type of life you want to live. And that's why I use them to wake up early in the morning and start working out when I want to do stuff like that. So in conclusion, listening to binaural beats, you can use them to change your life. Make sure they noise cancellation beats so that you ain't picking up no other distractions. You know what I'm saying? You could just use these whenever. I use these a lot when I'm studying, or if I'm working, or if I'm editing. You know what I'm saying? I could edit a lot. I shoot weddings, and I'm known for fast turnaround. If you put on some of these binaural beats when you're trying to work or edit or concentrate, do some work or something, it'll just have you in the zone. I'm gonna probably put a link to the one I use or the one I listen to the most in the comments. So if you want to go ahead and get into that, go ahead and get into that. You know what I'm saying? It might not work for you. It worked for me. It's just like medicine. If you go get some medicine from the doctor, it might work instantly for somebody. Somebody it might not work for right away. Somebody it might not even work for. But it worked for me, and it could work for you too. Oh, look at the sky. I know you see that. You see it? All right, well, I ain't gonna make that video or this video that long. I'll make another video where I go deeper into the brain waves, the different stages, and what they use for, and what you can use them for. I'm supposed to tell y'all to like the video or something like that, and subscribe, make a comment or something like that. If you want me to say something, tell me to say something. If you want me to do something, tell me to do something. All right. Until then, take care of yourself. I'm out.